Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, west-central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 6:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaver Dam, Portage, Partyville, Cambria, Wauchina and South Beaver Dam. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.